Did you know that in 2024 alone, the global consumer electronics market is projected to reach a staggering $950 billion? That's nearly the combined GDP of some of the world's largest economies. Now imagine waking up tomorrow in a world devoid of gadgets. No smartphones to check messages, no coffee machines to brew your morning cup, not even a smartwatch to remind you of your daily schedule. It's almost unimaginable, isn't it? Today, we're embarking on a journey through the most innovative gadgets that are not just enhancing our lives, but are fundamentally transforming them. These devices are the unsung heroes of our daily routines, seamlessly integrating into our lives and making the impossible possible. So, let's dive in and explore these marvels of modern technology. Imagine it's a chilly winter morning, and you're craving a warm, hearty breakfast. But time is of the essence. Enter the Instant Pot Duo Plus, a 9-in-1 multi-use programmable cooker that has revolutionized home cooking. This ingenious device combines the functions of a pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, steamer, sauté pan, yogurt maker, and more. With over 3 million units sold worldwide, it's clear that this gadget has found its way into the hearts and kitchens of many. Priced at approximately $199, it's an affordable solution for busy individuals and families alike. Imagine preparing a pot roast in under an hour, or making homemade yogurt with minimal effort. The transformation is truly remarkable. Have you ever wondered how much time you could save with such a device in your kitchen? Now let's talk about the daily struggle of misplacing personal items. Keys, wallets, even the TV remote. These small essentials have a knack for disappearing at the most inconvenient times. That's where the Tile Pro comes into play. This compact Bluetooth tracker attaches to your belongings, allowing you to locate them via a smartphone app. With a range of up to 400 feet and a loud ring, finding lost items becomes a breeze. The Tile community boasts over 35 million active users, creating a vast network that can help locate lost items even when they're out of Bluetooth range. At around $34.99, it's a small investment for significant peace of mind. Can you recall a time when this gadget could have saved you from a frantic search? Imagine you're on a business trip, rushing between meetings and your smartphone battery is dwindling. The anxiety sets in as you realize you forgot your charger. Enter the Anker PowerCore 26800, a portable charger with a massive 26-800 mAh capacity. This powerhouse can charge an iPhone 13 up to 6 times or a MacBook Air twice on a single charge. Equipped with 3 USB ports, it allows simultaneous charging of multiple devices at high speed. Priced at approximately $65, it's a travel essential for the modern professional. Think about the convenience of having reliable power in your bag, ready to keep you connected throughout your busiest days. Health and wellness have taken center stage in recent years, and technology has stepped up to support this focus. The Oura Ring is a prime example. This sleek, lightweight ring is packed with sensors that monitor your sleep patterns, heart rate variability, body temperature, and activity levels. By analyzing this data, it provides personalized insights to help you optimize your health. Notably, the Oura Ring has been validated in scientific studies for its accuracy in sleep tracking. Starting at $209, it's an investment in understanding and improving your well-being. Imagine having a personal health coach that provides insights based on your body's unique data. How could this information transform your daily habits? Capturing life's moments has become second nature. But what if you could take it to new heights? Literally. The DJI Mini 3 Pro is a compact, foldable drone that makes aerial photography accessible to everyone. Weighing less than 249 grams, it doesn't require FAA registration in the US, yet it boasts impressive features. With a 4K camera capable of 60 FPS video, 34 minutes of flight time, and advanced obstacle sensing, it empowers users to capture stunning footage from unique perspectives. Priced at around $759, it's a valuable tool for both hobbyists and professionals. Imagine filming your next vacation from the sky, creating cinematic memories that were once only possible with expensive equipment. What adventures would you document with this remarkable device? In a world striving for sustainability, even traditional pen and paper are getting a tech upgrade. The Rocketbook Smart Notebook offers a reusable solution for note-takers. Using a special pen, you can write on its pages, then scan your notes with a smartphone app to save them to cloud services like Google Drive or Dropbox. Once saved, simply wipe the pages clean with a damp cloth and it's ready to be used again. This innovative notebook has saved over 1 million trees by reducing paper waste. At approximately $37, it's an eco-friendly choice for students, professionals, and creatives. Imagine the convenience of having all your notes digitized and organized, while also contributing to environmental conservation. How would this change your approach to note-taking? As we navigate through these technological marvels, it's evident that gadgets are not just tools, they're catalysts for change. They enhance our efficiency, safeguard our belongings, monitor our health, capture our memories, and promote sustainability. Each device tells a story of innovation and the relentless pursuit of making life better. Which of these gadgets resonates with you? How could they integrate into your life and bring about positive change? For more insights and updates on the latest in technology, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and share your experiences with these gadgets. Your stories inspire others to explore and embrace new technologies. Thank you for joining us today. Remember, the transformation is ongoing, and together we can navigate this exciting journey.